tell me what can I do now? Ain't it always funny how soon as I let my
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. I took my time with this install and it's literally perfection. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install.
my guard down, here comes that familiar kiss.
Let's give a warm welcome back to one of my favorite hair companies. Today's hair sponsor, Ashimary hair. They have beautiful wigs. I've collaborated with them so many times because I literally love their wigs. Today what I have installed is a 26-inch, 250% density, 99j Burgundy deep wave curly wig. This is in the 13x6.
Sound when you start to get tongue tied, and in my heart I feel you lie. Though I knew the whole damn time, why do I act so surprised? 'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and your family helped you do this. Since you don't think you should live differently, what's left for me when it all ends? You need some real ones on your side. Side to pull up, down to right. Keep it 100, tell you.
Just plucking where I don't want hair. I'm going to remove some of those hairs. I'm going to remove the lace first.
If you're wrong or right, yeah, you need some real
And then spray.
on your side. I can see through all the fake, but I give my all to those who take. It's disaster in the making.
Pulling it in the direction I want it to go.
How easily
I'm just taking my time. I want it to basically be perfect. Partly why I'm doing less videos per week. One of the reasons is I want to be able to take my time with the install. There's quite a bit of extra lace on here, so if you have a big head, their wigs are always big head friendly. I'm gonna secure the side. I'm gonna do the same thing that we did on the other side. I like to spray a generous amount.
we break, we're all diamonds in the rough.
We're gonna complete the other side and then come back.
But no one's gonna call your bluff. You need someone you can trust to tell you
It's looking good. Some kind of bronzer.
when you messed up. Yeah.
Because this is not glue, it tends to like flip up. If you add anything that has water in it, it tends to want to pull it up.
'Cause our friends keep your secrets, and
I'm gonna go in with the same spray right on my finger too. Now I'm going to pluck some more.
thought that I'd be healing now. I didn't think I'd have to feel this now.
And leave a comment if you guys are enjoying detailed hair reviews. They definitely take a lot more time. Same spray. Basically put it down, give yourself a few seconds because it doesn't really get moldable right away. You'll start to feel when you should start molding because it'll firm up.
But somehow the feeling's still strong.
I can actually do this braid because I have short nails. Definitely more practical.
Like I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you pass by, now you're stuck on my mind thinking
Edge tamer.
but I guess I'll never be tired.
I'm gonna spray some hairspray. So we're gonna put this piece up. Then I'm gonna connect the two side pieces.
Of you, of you, of you.
Spray some hairspray.
Know that I'ma ignore you all night. Know that I'ma decline your calls, right? But I know that
Okay, so see how that's looking? We want to do that to the other side.
I wanna get home. I'm picking my phone to see what you want, see what you wrote, 'cause I wanna know, I wanna know. Yeah, I'll be on my way out thinking that I'm good, right? Suddenly you
I'm gonna go in with some powder that looks like scalp. Right in between my part. We work so hard to braid that. You want to define it. It just doesn't look defined. You don't do that. I'm gonna take that and like twist it off. And now seal it in. If you want to be extra, because we do, we're gonna put that band on one more time.
By now you're stuck on my mind, thinking how I stand now. But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you. So tell me why I get this feeling now. Oh, tell me why I get this feeling now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. Been a couple years that I'll be healing now. I really didn't think I'd have to feel this now.
The big body frontal, we had to do a big body style, so that's what we did. 26 inch and 250% density. Do you see this wig? It's not even fully combed out, y'all. It can get so big. Oh my god, it's beautiful. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back. This is what the back looks like. Hey, talk to me nice. They knew exactly what they were doing with this wig. I rock a lot of 99j wigs, and for good reason, because it looks so good on me. Wow, I'm actually blown away. And the install, I hope you guys are able to recreate this look. It's pretty easy. I didn't have any plans in my mind. I didn't look up any hairstyles. Like, I just decided to do this hairstyle. What I did do to this wig is pluck the hairline. I was considering bleaching the knots, but then I looked at the knots and they were really tiny. And chef's kiss, you guys. It is beautiful. You see the big body density, right? You see her, she's giving, and the deep wave texture is so pretty. It's just gorgeous. Now 26 inch, I would say it is 26 inch styled length, y'all. That means that the length is resting, so when you stretch it, it's even longer than that. Look at it. It gets a 10 out of 10. Definitely recommend. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Like, it's just like, honestly, I'm speechless. You guys need to run over there and get you one. Of course, I have a discount code for you guys. I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. Use that discount code so you can save some coins, because who doesn't love saving coins? I know I do.
But I guess I'll never be tired of you, of you, of you.
A little bit goes a long way. So this is how it turned out. This is the curl pattern. It does look even better. I'll catch you guys later in another video real soon. Bye for now.